Success doesn't solely hinge on hard work or planning.
What?
It's about understanding the very nature of being human and following the laws of nature itself. This concept unfolds in a remarkable book by Deepak Chopra.
So it's less about the grind and more about aligning with some universal principles? That sounds intriguing.
Indeed. The principles outlined in the 7 spiritual laws of success suggest that if we learn to apply these laws, we can manifest our deepest desires, just like nature creates a forest or a star.
Wow, that's a radical shift in perspective.
Let's break down these laws for deeper understanding. The first is the law of pure potentiality.
What does that entail?
It encourages silence and meditation, taking time to just be.
The mantra for this law, Om Bhavam Nama, emphasizes the essence of existence within us.
So spending 30 minutes a day in silence can unlock potential?
Precisely. The second law is about giving.
Giving? How does that contribute to success?
It suggests that sharing gifts, compliments, or even just kindness can keep the flow of wealth and love circulating.
The mantra, Om Vardhanam Nama, reflects this very essence.
This just keeps getting better. What's the law of karma?
Every action creates an energy that returns to us. If you act with the intent of bringing happiness to others, you'll likely receive happiness in return.
Om Kriyam Nama, the mantra for this law, encapsulates that principle beautifully.
I'm sensing a pattern here. And what about the law of least effort?
This law teaches acceptance. Embracing situations as they are releases resistance.
And this connects with the mantra Om Daksham Nama. It's all about cultivating ease in life.
It's hard to accept things sometimes, especially when they don't go our way.
The fifth law, intention and desire, addresses that.
How does it work?
Every intention holds the mechanics for its fulfillment. The key is to trust the process.
The associated mantra Om Ritam Nama emphasizes this trust.
So what if things still feel uncertain?
That takes us to the law of detachment. It invites freedom, not just for ourselves, but for others.
The freedom to be who we are, regardless of the outcomes.
Exactly. Om Andam Nama reflects that transcendental freedom.
But how do we tie this back to our purpose?
The last law, the law of Dharma, asserts we are here to fulfill a purpose.
And what's the mantra for that one?
Om Varunam Nama. It symbolizes our journey towards understanding our personal mission.
Each law sounds profound, but how were these ideas received when the book was released?
Remarkably, it landed in the top 10 of the New York Times in 1995.
Wow, it certainly resonated with people. What do you think made it so popular?
Its practical approach paired with spiritual wisdom likely struck a chord in a society eager for deeper meaning beyond material success.
A perfect blend. I wonder how many individuals actually transformed their lives after reading this book.
Well, that's a question worth exploring. But what do you think? Can simple spiritual laws really drive substantial changes in one's life?
It's all about personal interpretation. The seeds may be planted, but it takes nurturing.
Sounds like success is truly a journey shaped by our focus and intention.